Hello, fellow hair loss people, and welcome back to my channel. Today is week 8. I had my transplant surgery done 8 weeks ago, and there's something about this week. I just feel like I've seen a lot more growth. Might be in my head. It might just be because I'm so tired of the ugly duckling phase that I'm clinging to whatever looks even slightly good. But so I got a haircut about a week ago. If you guys were keeping up with me. And it's all kind of looking a little bit better every single day. I've actually seen, you can see on this side, there's a lot of good growth in there. When you look up real close, you can see even more, like see right here, you got a couple of hairs starting to poke through. This side is not doing as well. You can see a little bit in the close-up there. You got a couple guys kind of trying to breach the scalp, but they have not made it very far. And I push it to this side. You can see not a whole lot of growth in here, but it's getting there. It is interesting though, because this side's definitely growing at a much quicker pace than this side is. I don't know, it happens sometimes. I'm not too worried about it just because they are both growing. It's not like this side is just not growing at all. It just seems to be growing slower. Other than that, I'm taking Minoxidil, trying to do my 5%, 1 milliliter every single day. I do it right before bed, and that allows it to just kind of soak in, and then the next morning I wash my hair. I usually shower in the morning, so it works out pretty well. Other than that, no real itchiness, no burning sensations. I did have a little bit of swelling, oddly enough, and I still do, kind of up here on my scalp. A little bit of swelling, threw an ice pack on it. It's gone down for the most part. There's still a hair bit of swelling, no pun intended, but nothing major at this point, so nothing to really be concerned about. Looking around at my head, or which way do I go? This way. Looking around at the backside, everything looks pretty well healed up. No issues with the donor areas, you guys can see. I got my hair cut in the back pretty short. I was mentioning in a previous video, I did get a 1 down on the sides, and you can't tell. I've seen guys before get fades, and you can see kind of dimples in their skin showing where the hairs came from in the donor area. That wasn't the case with me. I might have just gotten lucky that I healed up on the quick side. But this is my 8-week update. So definitely seeing some progress. Definitely still in the ugly duckling phase, but I am getting there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'm happy to answer them. And then otherwise, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you.